りがとうございます。まもなく14番乗り場に19時51分発桜568号新大阪行きが参ります。危ないですからホームの柵から離れて黄色い点字ブロックまでお下がりください。自由席は1号車、2号車、3号車です。この列車は全席禁煙です。おタバコを吸われるお客様は喫煙ルームをご利用ください。車内の喫煙ルームは3号車、7号車です。この列車は8両編成でホームの中ほどに停まります。この列車は途中福山、岡山、姫路、新神戸に停まります。
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Shinkansen, the Super Express Sakura 568, departing at 1951, bound for Shin Osaka, is arriving at track 14. Please stay behind the yellow line on the platform. This train has 8 cars. Car 8 is at the front of the train and car 1 is at the rear. The green seats are in car 6. Cars 1, 2, and 3 are for passengers without seat reservations. Smoking is not allowed on this train except in the designated smoking rooms located in cars 3 and 7. Please refrain from smoking in the train, including areas at either end of the cars. This train will be stopping at Fukuyama, Okayama, Himeji, and Shin Kobe before arriving at Shin Osaka Terminal. Thank you.